If you use Notion and a mind mapping tool like XMind, you probably know the pain. You brainstorm in one app, then manually recreate everything in Notion. Copy, paste, copy, paste. What if your mind map could just talk to Notion? That's Notion Mindmap. It's a free mind mapping tool built specifically for Notion users. Let me show you how it works. Sign in with your Notion account. Pick the workspace that you want to sync with your mind map. Now select databases that you want your mind map to link to. That's it. No separate account, no extra passwords. You're in! Click Create New Mind Map and you get a blank canvas with a central node. Let's say we're planning a YouTube content calendar. I'll rename the map by clicking on the title. Double-click on any node to edit it. Now let's build it out. Hover on any node and hit plus to add a child or a sibling. I'll break my channel into content pillars, tutorials, reviews, and vlogs. Then drill into each one. Notion tips, productivity setups, template walkthroughs, under tutorials. And then actual video ideas under each. It's fast and fluid. Sometimes you need a new branch that doesn't fit under your main topic. Click the plus button in the Nodes panel to create a new root node. It lives on the same map but stands on its own. Great for keeping related ideas together without forcing everything into one tree. Change your mind about where something belongs? Just drag and drop, move a node under a completely different parent, and the map reflows instantly. You can also switch the layout direction. Left to right, top down, or the classic mind map look with branches going both ways. Adjust spacing and node width to get it looking exactly how you want. You can send any node to Notion individually. Click the menu, hit Send To, pick your database, and it's done. See the Notion icon? Click it, and you go straight to that page. Great for when you want to start fleshing out a specific video idea in Notion. But here's the real power. Click Send to Notion in the header and send the entire map at once. Pick a database with sub-items enabled, and your whole tree lands in Notion with the hierarchy preserved. Every branch, every leaf, nested exactly as you built it. No more copy-pasting one item at a time. Want the map visible inside Notion too? Hit Share, turn on public sharing, and copy the embed URL. In Notion, type /embed, paste the link, and your mind map shows up right inside your page. It's interactive. Your team can pan, zoom, and explore it without leaving Notion. Notion Mind Map is free with unlimited maps and unlimited nodes. Try it at notionmindmap.com. Brainstorm visually, send to Notion, and stop recreating your ideas twice.